Hello everyone. I'm Kenny Tonight and all tired from waking up so early, and I'm here to show you the results of the Replit Calculatorthon. Unfortunately, because of mess with test questions not being right, submissions randomly closing, and people downright deleting their code, we've got around 7 entries. Not the most, however, most of these participants will walk away with Hacker Plan. Good luck, everyone, and we'll go on to the tester in a minute. After I remind you that by attending this live stream, you agree to abide by our community values at replit.com/community/values. Please be respectful and have fun. Right here, I have the final tester with all the questions right open. I can show it to you at any time. I can. Will I? Yes. So, here it is. The Calculatorthon Fun Tester. There's just a big white button that says Start, and then a long line that will be filled up with questions and participants. So the participants that we actually have are is Xero, Super Soccer 572, John Williams, Lewis AFK, I am Mam 40, Cuistum, and Jessica Neged. I can't pronounce most of these usernames, but no one can pronounce most usernames generally anyway. So let us start here. As you can see, I wasn't showing it. So, big button, big line. To find out who will win a Replit t-shirt, 5 months of Replit Hacker Plan, and 1,000 cycles. That's like a lot of money. Right. When I press the start button, it'll flash up with all the questions and all the participants, and then after 10 seconds, it'll start querying all of the calculators and testing them on the questions. It'll go really fast. And also, most of these questions in the funnel tester have actually been generated by ChatGPT. I mean, some of the questions are really good, but also some of them might not be exactly correct. But most of them seem to be working good. And I think there's also 3 image questions and 2 audio questions. And if any calculator can really get those, I'll tip them 100 cycles or something, since that would be really cool. All right, everyone. I shall. Oh, it's nerve-wracking. It's a lot. Should I press the button? No. It needs to be larger. It needs to be bigger for this sort of thing. Okay. There we are. That's a bigger button. And I shall press it now. Okay, so we've got all the participants here. We've got all the questions. They're queued. Then at the very end is the total. It's already started. It has already started. Okay. Let's watch over here. So the first calculator seems to have only gotten 1 correct. That's not very good. Second one has gotten miraculously none. What? John Williams. Code muffin, I thought you were great. I've only got 1 out of 15. These calculators. Oh, geez. No one has gotten 2. I wonder if that's a problem with the tester, actually. Why are these all fetching? Okay, we might run this one again. Since that really does not seem to... No one has gotten 2 correct. Alright, that was... There's still a few to calculate. There. For example, Lewis AFK, who has been trying the darn hardest on this, has gotten just a mere 1 out of 40. I don't think that's correct. So I'm going to quickly change it up to just stringify. That should... I'm trying to just figure out if it's a problem with the calculators or the problem with this. Can't see them now. I shall. Give 1 second. Let's try that again. Maybe the rebels were waking up. Maybe they just didn't want to get up today. Try that again. This will be the final one. If it's only like 1 question out of 40, then that's a bit disappointing. But I mean, looks like that might be the case. Might have shot a bit too high. But this is working correctly, isn't it? Unknown. You have 20 marbles and you want to divide them equally among 4 children. How many marbles does each child get? Unknown. Yes. Unknown. All of these are unknown. It's a shame. Okay, let's see. Super Soccer 572. Constantly 0. I would think most calculators would be able to get this, but surprisingly, it doesn't seem so. This is very uneventful. X. All incorrect. Okay, come on, Code Muffin. You got numbers from words. Yeah, you got that one right. I'm surprised how you didn't get 1 plus 1. How does any calculator fail on that? You got numbers from words. Got a 1. Can you sense my disappointment here? Good enough. You're doing so good. You've been working on this for days. How did this happen? How did this happen? I'll try one last thing to try and maybe get the calculators to send a correct answer. just edit the code here tiny bits. There's okay. Okay. So I'm just fixing up the tester a tiny bit. Maybe it was just my fault. Maybe not. We'll see. So, this is the equivalent of fixing things in production. Fixing things with your hackathon on a live stream. How amazing. Okay. Maybe mine did go out of this. Place if I submit to it every problem. You know what? We'll run this one more time, and if all else fails, we'll swap this entire data set out with the one that I gave to you, all of you, to test your calculator, and then we'll do the results based on that. Does that sound good? Just reiterating. Where's the there you go. If this fails, we'll use the other testers data set. Seems as though it will be a similar story. 1 out of 11. Yep, so instead of doing that, since it seems as though maybe I've got the final tester wrong, or maybe some of the calculators just weren't up to the task that ChatGPT set out for them, I'm going to swap out the entire data set with the public one that you all got to test your calculators while you're making it. Hopefully no one just put in there a bunch of test cases to see if the question was exactly the ones in the tester and then return the right result. But if that happens, I'll be able to see their code when it finishes, and I'll give the hacker plan to the correct person. So I'll go ahead and try and actually find it here. Where did I put this? Put it in here, didn't I? I did. How? Name, type, question, answer. There we are. Copy this over. There we are. Okay, let's try that again. With the hopefully better data set. Oh, that's a bit wonky. Fixes up near the end though. Okay, so this is better already. So 1 + 1 and 1 + 1 got fancy. So that's got 2 so far. Oh my god, it's got 3. Jesus Christ. I've never thought I'd see this thing. Super Soccer 5 Center really not doing well. How did this happen? No, this cannot be right. I refuse to believe. Oh wait, no, that's the same. Did I copy it over correctly? Maybe this test is just broken. Surely that's it. Yes. Surely. It's since the calculators cannot be this bad. I refuse to believe. We're gonna use the other tester. The other one. Where's the other one? I forgot where the other one was. Here is the other one. This is like very entertaining, isn't it? Probably. Here is the other tester that you all got. However, I changed it up a bit for the final one, but it seems like that one didn't work. So let's see. We'll give us like apple by apple. So this one is 0. See, that one got a bunch more correct. What went wrong here? Actually, see that? Can I send in my calculator? Yeah, just put it in the chat and I'll add it in. Since this term isn't going amazing anyway. I'll do some debugging. You see, debugging on screen. That is good. Yes, sure it is. Sure. Let me hear. Okay. See, that's good. I did it all once. Name, question, type, and now this one. Now this one we have to wait. Oh, wait, no, it is sending back the correct answer. It's sending back the correct answer. I used the wrong I. So funny story, everyone. Funny story, everyone. Don't leave. The final calculator was correct. That was right. However, you see here, I missed one single character in the final test. One. I missed one character. Let us fix that and let us go back to the old data set and try that again. Okay. Let's do that. I dot answer. And the questions here we shall send back. Is this the correct one? That is the correct one. Restore to here. Restore version. Yes. And cat21, did you send in your calculator? Or nightmare, I'm forgetting, yeah. It was only a calculator. It wasn't it was only one little character. It wasn't the calculator's problem. Let's go back then to the funnel tester. This one has the bug fix, I think. Let me change the width back. That I've got cat21s. Change width to 1000%. Add. Okay, so now we have 8 participants, and now we have a working tester, and now finally, after like 25 minutes, we can actually see who wins. Finally, after 25 minutes, we can actually see who wins. This is a comedy show. This is a comedy show. It has to be a comedy show. Unexpected token, comma. Oh yeah, I added an extra comma. This is going great for me, isn't it? Now we go. Okay. I've got KK in there as well. KTAT or Cat or KTAT. I don't know. Yes, it's gotten 2 correct. That is a great sign and absolutely amazing. 4 correct. Yes. That one. Super Soccer being absolutely demolished. Getting none of them correct. Look at that. There's an... Ooh. Coda Muffin. Getting all of them right. And Lewis AFK too. Oh, not doing as much as Coda Muffin though. And then there's Christian going across there. Iron Man 40 only got 3 correct, it seems. Coda Muffin is still calculating some of those. So this was much more eventful than the other one. Oh, KCat's actually doing really good there. Got 6 out of 40. Dude. So 2 of them aired out. That's a shame. But it looks like even though not all the calculators did the best, we've got some sort of final answer here. So it seems that most of the calculators got 1 + 1 right. And bigger numbers, right? Numbers from words. only John Williams could do it. These pretty easy. Decimals, that one's still fetching after all that time. That was good for some of them. Negative number, no good to the negative numbers image. The powers, good parentheses. So no could do images or audio, it seems. So much for OCR. Word problem addition. KCAT got that one right. And division too. That one was like word problems. Division. That was like you have 20 marbles and you want to divide them equally among 4 children. How many marbles does each child get? That is very impressive. What's going on here? That's no math.js. Sequences and series. What the? Okay, how did you get? Find the sum of infinite geometric series 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 ... with common ratio 2. Sorry, how did you do that? Okay, mind explaining yourself? How you got one of the hardest questions and no one else did it? Do you just return a random number? If you do that, I will cry myself to sleep. Could do like 6 questions out of. Wait. Wait. Okay. So I just got DM from KTAT, and it seems as though in the question where it says find the sum of the infinite geometric series 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 15, it just got the 2 plus 4 and returned 6, and 6 was actually the answer. So like, I can't really blame them. Out of the 40, got 6, and only in about 7 seconds. That is amazing, actually. And of course, Coda Muffin did get that amount, but in about how many milliseconds? In total, 2 minutes. About 13 minutes. Like when we send out the requests, it gets the current date, then let's respond, subtract the current date from there. So in total, if you were to wait for each of those questions one by one, you'd be waiting 30 minutes. So the result should be KTAT's first place somehow. Yes, KTAT's congratulations. Second is place. And then third, fourth, and fifth will be Lewis K. Then the first one that was Slider. Sisio. And for them was first, second, third, fourth, fifth, which was just English. All right, so that's that is the result. I'll post that in chat right now. So, first place, K-Cats, you shall get a Replit t-shirt, 5 months of Replit hacker plan, and 1,000 cycles. That seems a bit much for 2 plus 4, but hey, I've got my Replit reps quota, and I used it. Congratulations on the absurd amount of money you just won. Second place, which is Code Muffin, got 3 months of Replit hacker plan and 500 cycles, and Los AFK, Cito, and Jessica H each got 1 month of Replit hacker plan. So I shall scout out your rebels sooner or later to give you those rewards. And now, after about 35 minutes of me troubleshooting, I shall go. I hope you had fun. I know I didn't really, but still. You live and you learn. By the way, the applications for the next round of Replit reps is still open, I think. So if you want to host one of these events for yourself and go through the trauma of trying to fix all of your bugs on live stream, then you can apply and learn from this to make sure you hopefully don't do the same thing. Adios, everyone. Congratulations. Here's some relaxing background music.